Good morning world. Long time no vlog. It is 7 a.m. in Western Australia. We're in Perth and we are on the way to Rottnest Island.
We're gonna see some quokkas.
Quokkas!
G'day guys, welcome on board.
Thank you. The ferry ride is half an hour. So our first mission now is to find some quokkas.
And also all of the birds.
Oh my god. 1 minute later and we have succeeded. Surrounded by my friends. We're gonna hire a bike now to explore the island. How did you like the quokkas?
Cute little kangaroos.
Don't you worry, moms. We're wearing helmets. Well, not gonna lie, it's been a while since I cycled, so that was quite challenging, but we made it to the very end of Rottnest Island and now we're trying to see some seals. It's really hard to see, but they are the tiny blobs on the rocks. That's New Zealand fur seals.
There's a lighthouse over there.
So after all the cycling, we earned ourselves some lunch and some coffee.
We went like 20 kilometers.
And we saw seals. And we saw quokkas, ospreys with a stick. And now the sun's out.
Yeah, finally.
But it was actually quite good that it wasn't sunny, because the cycle was pretty tough. What now?
Brownie, maybe? Beer. There's a famous brewery. funny thing. Red beads?